In the vast, silent theater of the ocean, a battle of wits and weaponry is about to unfold. On one side, a master of illusion, a phantom of the reef. On the other, a flamboyant assassin, armed with nature's most sophisticated chemical arsenal. When the master of disguise meets the venomous hunter, who will prevail? Superior intelligence enough to outmaneuver pure, lethal power? Here in the sun-dappled shallows of the Indo-Pacific, we find our first contender. It is an entity of almost supernatural ability, the ocean's ultimate shapeshifter, the Mimic Octopus. This creature is not merely a master of camouflage. It is a master of impersonation. With a fluid grace that borders on the impossible, it can contort its boneless body, transforming its appearance in the blink of an eye. To evade the keen sight of a hungry predator, it might flatten itself against the sandy floor, adopting the shape and undulating movement of a toxic flatfish. Threatened from another angle, it can bury 6 of its arms, raising 2 in a sinuous dance to become a venomous sea snake, a universally respected warning sign on the reef. It is a ghost, a trickster, a living testament to the power of deception. But this vibrant realm is also home to a hunter of breathtaking lethality. Drifting through the water with an almost royal disdain is the lionfish. It is a vision of lethal beauty, a living sculpture of spines and fins painted in bold stripes of crimson and white. This flamboyant display is no mere decoration. It is an overt declaration of its deadly capabilities. Each of its 18 dorsal spines is a hypodermic needle, a sophisticated delivery system for a potent neurotoxin. This venom is a complex cocktail of proteins designed to inflict excruciating pain and paralysis, defense so effective that few predators dare to challenge it. The lionfish does not hide. It announces its presence, confident that its reputation and its biological weaponry will precede it. The contrast in their methods for survival could not be more stark. The Mimic Octopus is a strategist, a creature that survives by outthinking its opponents. Its primary weapon is its mind, a complex network of neurons distributed throughout its body that grants it an unparalleled ability to analyze, adapt, and deceive. Its entire existence is a high-stakes performance, a continuous act of misdirection. The lionfish, in stark opposition, relies on a more direct approach. Its strategy is one of aggressive intimidation and overwhelming force. Wields its venomous spines not just as a shield, but as a sword, establishing a zone of control wherever it roams. It is a contest of unparalleled deception against unassailable defense. A clash between soft-bodied intelligence and armored, aggressive speed. To truly appreciate the octopus's genius, we must look closer at the mechanism behind its magic. Its skin is a living canvas, embedded with millions of pigment-filled sacs called chromatophores. These are not passive cells. They are under direct neural control. In a fraction of a second, the octopus can send a cascade of nerve impulses, causing these sacs to expand or contract, painting its skin with any color or pattern it desires. But it doesn't stop there. By manipulating specialized muscles, it can alter the very texture of its skin, raising populi to mimic the rough surface of a rock or the bumpy texture of algae. It can see a threat, access a library of defensive personas stored in its remarkable brain, and become something else entirely. It disappears not by hiding, but by transforming in plain sight, a living mirage in the shifting sands. The lionfish, meanwhile, has perfected a hunting technique that is as beautiful as it is deadly. It does not chase its prey in a frantic pursuit. Instead, it uses its large, fan-like pectoral fins to gently shepherd and corner its target. It drifts forward, its movements slow and deliberate, its fins spread wide like a great net. The small fish and crustaceans it preys upon are often mesmerized or simply trapped, unable to escape the closing circle. Then, in a sudden, explosive movement, the lionfish strikes. It opens its cavernous mouth, creating a powerful vacuum that sucks the unsuspecting victim in. The entire sequence, from herding to capture, is over in a flash of lightning speed. It is a testament to predatory efficiency, a perfect fusion of patient strategy and explosive power. Now let us imagine the scenario, a hypothetical encounter in this underwater arena. The Mimic Octopus is foraging, its sensitive arms exploring the seabed for a meal. Suddenly, a shadow falls. The lionfish approaches, its spines erect, its gaze fixed. The octopus has been seen. Can its soft, vulnerable body and its portfolio of tricks fool a predator that is biologically engineered to detect the slightest flicker of movement? The octopus has seconds to make a decision. Does it flatten into a flounder? Does it become a sea snake? Or does it attempt to vanish into the seafloor, hoping its camouflage is perfect enough? The lionfish is not easily fooled. Its lateral line, a sensory organ running down its body, detects the faint pressure waves of movement in the water, a disturbance the octopus cannot entirely conceal. The tension becomes almost unbearable. The octopus commits to a disguise, perhaps morphing into the banded pattern of a sea snake, a creature the lionfish would normally avoid. It holds its form, a silent, desperate bluff. The lionfish pauses, its own ancient instincts, weighing the visual information against the subtle cues of movement it can still sense. This is the moment where a fatal miscalculation could occur. One twitch, one flicker of an arm that doesn't fit the character. One momentary break in the illusion, and the lionfish will strike. A single graze from one of its venomous spines is all it would take. The octopus's soft body offers no defense against the piercing needle and the potent neurotoxins it delivers. The master of disguise's life hangs on the perfection of its art. Ultimately, this confrontation represents one of nature's most profound questions. Which is the superior evolutionary strategy? The brain or the blade? The mimic octopus places its survival entirely on its intelligence, its ability to outwit and deceive. It is a creature of pure cunning, its body a tool for its mind. The lionfish, on the other hand, is a triumph of biological weaponry. It has evolved a near-perfect defense, a walking fortress of venom that allows it to navigate its world with an aggressive confidence few other animals can afford. In this dramatic showdown, we see the very essence of two opposing philosophies of survival. Played out in the silent, unforgiving depths of the ocean, who do you believe is the true king of the reef, the cerebral shapeshifter or the venomous sovereign? Let us know your verdict in the comments below. And for more epic ocean showdowns, make sure to follow our channel.
The drama of the deep is only just beginning.